Hello. Welcome to today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm Stephen Watson here at Deep River Landing in Deep River, Connecticut. Teach a weekly Tai Chi class here, so I'm out here this morning by the Connecticut River, working its way down to Long Island Sound. And then, of course, the Atlantic Ocean. And I'm just kind of thinking how, the river flows, that sort of Taoist ideal of the humble ocean receiving all that flows. And so what I'm doing in my Tàijíquán this morning is kind of thinking about what releases from me as I practice. So maybe that's a frustration or a tension, who knows. And rather than just thinking how it leaves me, which, is obviously important to me, but I'm thinking about where it's going, what it's filling, what it's serving, or perhaps what's drawing it from me, rather than simply the act of my releasing. Something's drawing it. So I kind of think, when I release something from my hand, the gravity draws it, or perhaps I release it from my hand and the breeze draws it somewhere else. So I'm doing my practice today thinking about sort of the ocean of receptivity that draws and receives that which I release through my practice. So I encourage you to give that one a try. And obviously doing it beside the ocean is going to be all that much more enjoyable. Thank you.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.